bar inside the table, showing status of everyone field. You can see that here, and the my record showing in table, and inside table I implement here progress bar for particular TD for this one record, and showing here progress as well as color. You can see that here when I change the pagination like that, and showing again status progress bar report like that 25%, 28%, 94%. And again you can see that here when I click on pagination like that. And that's today my agenda is that how to implement these things in my Angular project. Let's start. Open your project, and we can see that here I have already created project. This project name is that Angular demo with Bootstrap. This is my project name, and in this project we have to following some steps for implementation Angular progress bar. Simply copy this line npm install Angular progress bar @latest save. Copy this one package. Step first is that install package Angular progress bar in your application. Simply open your terminal, Ctrl C, stop your application finally, and that my purpose saying that stop your application and just paste your package npm install Angular progress bar later. Just enter. We can see that here package has been saved successfully. Angular progress bar 1.0.11 updated one package. That means package has been successfully installed. And after that, second step is that inside app.module.ts inject progress bar module like that. Open your Visual Studio Code and click here app.module.ts. Inside app.module.ts showing here progress bar module. You can see that here, and here showing progress bar module I have already injected here, and you have to also inject here inside the imports. That means two steps has been completed. First one is that install package, and second is that progress bar module inject inside your app module.ts class. Up next step is that HTML part. We can see that here, and showing here progress bar HTML. Just copy this line and paste your HTML page where you want to implement progress bar, and showing here progress bar dynamic value now showing 100, and color degraded like that, 0 like that, 15 like that. Copy this one, and we can see that here inside the TD I implemented here progress bar, and you can see that here progress is x.status. That means find out value here dynamically 10%, 20%, 50%, 60% like that. And color degraded showing here 30 color showing this one, and 45 this, and 75 this one. Between in this range color showing this one, and set the value dynamically here x.status. And you can see that here this is my table, and this table class td th tr, and after that inside tr I implement here data comes inside the data, and using here ng repeat and display this record inside the td x.name, x.email, x.phone like that. And after that one td and implemented here progress bar, and set the value dynamically like that, and next td showing here button like that. Now you know that very well how to implement progress bar. Just simply paste this HTML and set the dynamically value, and color degraded and showing here. Now run this application like that. Now project has been compiled successfully and run. You can see that here on my browser. Just refresh this one page. Now we can see that here, and that and progress bar showing here. That means implemented successfully progress bar. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this one video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel and like this video.